In this video, I will show you step by step how we can make videos using pictures and music. So this will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys. Let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Canva, okay? It's super easy. Just go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, and it's for free. So you should see over here video, click on video and you will be directly in this page over here. What you need to do next, you need to click over here on upload and click on upload file and upload your picture that you want to use to make this video. Okay, so just upload your pictures from your laptop. Okay, click on open and your pictures will be, if you click over here on image, you should find your pictures uploaded to Canva here. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna not use those pictures. I will use just pictures from Canva. I will click on elements and I will click over here on the search and I will search for animals. Okay, and I will click over here on photos and I'm gonna use just those pictures from here. So I will click on this picture like this. Just click on your picture will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set image as background. Okay, like this. Click on add page and add more page that will be matched with your image. Okay, so I'm gonna add those page over here. Go to the first, go again to the second page, click on the second page and add a different picture that you want to use to make your video. Click on the next page, scroll down. I'm gonna use this picture here like this. Click on the next page and add all your pictures here. Okay, then I'm gonna show you how you can add music to make it even more engaging. Okay, and how you can add transition between those page and so much more. Okay, so let's add those pictures first to see how this video will be done. I will scroll down to find more pictures like this. Click on the next page, scroll down and I will add this picture here and I will add a different one. So let me see, this one looks good. Scroll down and I will add this one. I will scroll down to see, okay, let me see, I will add this one here and I will add last picture. Okay, I'm gonna add this one. After you finish, go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition. Okay, and choose which transition you want to add between your videos. Okay, to make between your pictures, to make your pictures more engaging and professional. As you can see, you can find a different transition here. I'm gonna use this one, slide. Click on your transition that you want to use, make it just to 0.3 second and click over here on apply between all page. You can also choose a different transition between each two page. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna use the same transition. After you finish, click over here on edit timing and you can decrease or increase the timing of your video, of your pictures. I'm gonna make it just to 3 seconds. I will click maybe just to 3.5 seconds. I will select this, apply to all page, and here you go. So what you need to do next, you need to add a music to this video. I will click over here on upload and I will click on upload file and you need to upload music from your picture, from your laptop. Okay, so just choose your background music that you want to add and click on open, and your background music will be over here. If you click on audio, you should find your background music here. So for me, I already have those music. I'm gonna choose this one. First, click on your first page over here like this, and click on your music that you want to add, and your music will be under your pictures here. Okay, click on your music, click over here, and you can increase the volume of your background music, or you can increase it. Okay, I'm gonna make it just to 61, 62, like this. So let's check this video now. It's done. As you can see, guys, it's really super easy and simple. So even to make this video more engaging, I will click on the first picture, and I will click over here on animate, and you can animate your pictures. Okay, you can make those picture you can make a movement for each picture. Okay, you can see, if you click on animate and you scroll down, go to photo movement, you can find different photo movement style that you can use. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, photo follow. Okay, and they will decrease his intensity like this, and they will click on apply to all page, and you can use different movements for each picture. Okay, if you want. Okay, just click on the second picture and choose a different movement. Okay, so let's check now. So that's how we can make a video using pictures and music. After you finish, click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. It's super easy, guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you